What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be showing you how to put a backup camera hooked up into your radio that's in your vehicle. So when you buy the kit, this is pretty much what you're going to get. You're going to get lines that are going to run from the camera, which is going to be the back of your truck or car. And they are going to plug into your camera. I bought a license plate one, but it actually sits behind the license plate, and then just the camera is the only thing that sticks out. You're going to have your power cables, which are going to plug into your camera, and then these two wires are going to run to your ground and your power for your reverse lights. So that way it'll give this power when you put it in reverse, and then the rest of it, this is going to hook into here. And then you're going to run all this up into your factory or your aftermarket double din radio, or any radio that is compatible for a backup camera. Alright, so first thing you're going to do, take the license plate off. I went ahead and just put 2 screws in here just to hold the camera in place while I did it. So the nice part about the Dodge is it does have, I don't know if you can see it right here, it tells you exactly which wire is what. So this is reverse positive, reverse negative. So went ahead, popped it out. There's these 2 clips right here, so you can pop that, pull the whole thing out. So then you locate your 2 wires on the bottom, which is going to be your green and your black on this truck. So then I like to hardwire everything. So what I do is I'll go ahead and strip back the top wire, and I take the other 2 wires, wrap them around that wire, and then tape over it, because that tends to give you a lot better connection, a lot better hold, and it won't rot out or corrode or anything like that like some of the T-clamps do. So I went ahead and did that for both of these. So what you got to do is you take your 2 wires that go straight from your camera here, is to go there, hook up your positive and your negative, and then down here where you have these 2, they plug in, and then you're gonna go ahead and take this extra lead that comes off of here, and you're gonna run that back up there, run that around the positive wire just like you did the other one, and then go ahead and tape all this stuff up. Alright, so now I got all these all taped up, good to go. Ran those, I just took the power wire, ran it all the way up into the truck to test it out to make sure that it's going to work. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take this, you're going to plug it into the yellow, which is camera in. Go ahead and set that down. Now what I had to do is look right here on my radio, and it will say orange is your reverse positive wire. So this other lead that you hooked up the same in the back that runs off of the yellow, just like on the back side, you're gonna hook this one to your reverse power. So my reverse power is going to be the orange. So go ahead and take this just to check it, ensure that we have power, ensure that it's all working. I'm just going to set that inside the orange connection right there. That way we can go ahead, put it in reverse, and now your backup camera comes on, so you know that all your connections are correct. You know that they are all hooked up the way that they need to be. So from this point on, all you're going to do is put the radio back in its place, run these wires all down through the bottom of the truck, use zip ties to wire it all up, to hang all the wire up, you know, try to tie it into your current wire looms you got there, and then you're just going to run it up through the firewall into the cab. And then once you got it into the cab, hook your stuff back up the exact same way that you got it hooked up right now, and then you are done. You're completely done. So that's about how easy it is. It's really not bad. Just about anybody can do it. It's very simple. Just ensure that your radio is compatible for a backup camera, and as long as it is compatible for a backup camera, you just buy whatever backup camera you want, hook it up the way I just showed you, and then you're good to go. So any questions, comments, anything like that, drop it down below. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the like button. It really helps me out trying to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark, so help me get there. Alright, so I'll see you next time.